This tutorial is going to show you how to add a feature post thumbnail to your slider. Okay, so in the post that you want, let's say this is the post that I want to add to my slider, okay? So as the current settings are, your slider categories are under featured. Now this could be whatever you have it selected, okay? But right now the settings in this website are set to featured. So any posts that go under featured, the first 5 posts in that category are going to show up in the slider. You can have multiple categories. Let's say you also wanted it to show up in workouts. Go ahead and select that too. But because this one is selected, it's going to show up in the featured category. Okay, now if your picture that you want to use is already in your post, great. You're going to select the picture. If the picture is not, you need to go ahead and add it. Even if you don't want the picture to show up in your post, you still need to add it. You can delete it later, but add it into your post. Click on the picture and go to this little edit image button. Go to advanced settings. You want to copy this source right here. So highlight the whole thing. I like to right click and hit copy, but you can also do Control C. So either one of those. Close out. Then you're going to go down here to add custom fields, and you're going to go to featured. Now regardless of what your category is called, this is always going to be called featured, so just keep that in mind. And then you're going to paste that link that you just copied, and then hit add custom field. And that will go ahead and add your image to your slider on your site. Now if you didn't want this picture to show up in your post, you can go ahead and delete it. Doesn't really matter. You'll notice that this is still there. And then if you hit update, this is already a post that has been published. If the post has not been published, this will say published. But this one is going to be updated. And then you can visit your site to see it in the slider. Now, this particular image was not cropped to the certain size, so it is stretched and looks funky. In another tutorial, I will show you how to crop an image so that it looks normal in your slider. But that's the basic gist of adding a picture to your slider.